Hi, I'm Priyanka from Intel. In this video, we give you a summary of all the videos in this series. We also introduce some next types, more advanced examples, and dev kits to easily get started with your computer vision solutions. In the first video, we introduced you to this computer vision series with Intel video solutions for computer vision and deep learning applications. In the second video, we introduced the OpenVINO Toolkit to accelerate computer vision application development across Intel platforms. We also talk about different components of the OpenVINO Toolkit to help optimize your deep learning inference. Then we look at the model optimizer, an important component of the deep learning deployment toolkit to do model conversion. We discussed the model conversion techniques and presented an example to convert a pre-trained model to an intermediate format using Model Optimizer. After that, in the fourth video, we deep dive into the Inference Engine to run optimized inference on different Intel platforms using a unified API. We also look at a simple example to demonstrate Inference Engine API usage and run the application on the CPU and the integrated GPU. Then, in the fifth video, we talk about the Hetero plugin from the Inference Engine to support hardware heterogeneity. We also demonstrate running the computer vision application on the Intel Movidious compute stack. In the sixth video, we discuss optimization techniques using OpenVINO Toolkit to get better performance for your computer vision application. Finally, we discuss advanced video analytics using OpenVINO Toolkit and pre-trained models included in the release package to expedite computer vision application development. To wrap up the series, I will walk you through additional resources to use and help ramp up on OpenVINO Toolkit. Along with code samples in the release package, we also have included tutorials for building end-to-end IoT reference solutions addressing specific business use cases. For example, the store traffic monitor reference implementation uses multiple video streams that count people inside and outside of a facility and also counts product inventory. You can check other reference implementations such as face access control, intruder detector, and people counter from the links provided. IAI and Aeon introduced two developer kits to help developers get started quickly with their vision application development using Intel tools. These kits ship with Intel System Studio and OpenVINO pre-installed. This makes them vision ready out of the box, giving you the chance to try some of the code samples and demos with just a few clicks. To learn about tools, code samples, reference implementations, and developer kits, you can follow the links provided. Thanks for watching the Computer Vision with Intel Smart Video Tools series.
Hey everybody, I hope you liked this video. If you haven't seen our other videos on the Intel Software YouTube channel, remember to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a little comment. Tell us what other material you'd like to see and chat with other enthusiasts who watch our shows.